Hello guys, in this video we'll be creating a validation rule for the standard object contact. The rule is to display an error message when the contact and account have different zip codes while the users are creating or updating contacts. Let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground and find our standard object contact. And once you're in the standard object contact, let's click on validation rules and new validation rule. Let's copy and paste our rule name. So the first condition is to make sure that the contact is associated with an account ID. So to do that, let's use the function called isBlank. So what this function does is it checks if an expression is empty or not, that is if it is blank or not. So as we are checking for account ID, let's replace the expression with account ID. So now it's going to check if the account ID is empty. But we have to make sure that the account ID exists for the contact. So let's add a not around this expression to make sure the account ID exists. Okay. The next thing is to check if the account zip code and contact zip code are different. So to do that, we can use the API names given in a challenge, which is the mailing postcode and account shipping postcode. So let's copy paste that inside the braces with the not equal to symbol. So this will make sure that they are not equal and they are different. So we achieved the second expression as well. So now we need to bind them together with an AND condition. So let's add an AND before the first expression. And let's put both of these in braces separated by a comma. So now this essentially checks if that the account associated with contact has an account ID and the contact zip code and account shipping zip code are different. So if both of these conditions are met, there should be an error message displayed. So let's write an error message. There is an error and let's save it. So let's check if you've done everything right in this challenge. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.